Alright YouTube, so in this video I'm gonna do a sound test comparison between these two Bluetooth speakers. This is a JBL one, effect one of course, and this is a Sonilex. It's a local brand, and their both price are quite a bit same. So, and they both have two speaker driver. That also, I think, the same in size. So let's do the sound test and let's see which one is better or the both are a bit same.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Through the highways and on we'll go. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Alright guys, so you have heard both the speakers and let me know in the comments below which one do you like more. And I think both are quite a bit same in sound and not so good, but let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.